for joining us today at Drone Expo 2026. Today we have Mr. Sanjeev Mehra from Siechem Wires and Cables. Let's have a quick conversation about their experience and what products they are showcasing at Drone Expo. Hello sir, glad to have you here. Let's not take your much time. Let's begin with first question. Could you please introduce yourself and tell our audience about your company?
So Siechem Wires and Cables is a 30-year-old company. Our core is making wires and cables for general industry. So we cover solar, we cover rail transportation, we cover various industrial projects. We've right now created a new portfolio of drone cables specifically for this expo, which we are showcasing.
Okay. Specifically for the expo. That's wonderful. So sir, which products, any hero product between the cables you have mentioned, you are showcasing at this expo?
So since it is the Drone Expo, we've got a whole bunch of communication cables. Cat 5, Cat 6, Cat 7, Cat 8. We've got a tethered cable, which pretty much nobody in India makes. So we make a tethered drone cable. That is our hero product for today.
Bringing new to the industry. That's wonderful. So coming on to my next question, what are your strengths or USB which keeps you unique from others?
Our focus on R&D. We invest about 3 to 4% of our turnover every year back into R&D. So we're constantly developing new products and going into innovative areas. That is our USP.
Okay, innovation is the only thing. So let's come on my next question. What message you would like to convey to your visitors, customers and individual coming to your booth?
This expo is maybe a small expo because the interest is growing, but the kind of energy in this expo is phenomenal. We're really enjoying meeting so many prospective customers here.
So they should come at your stall as well.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Yes. Okay, wonderful, sir. I hope you had a great experience at Drone Expo 2026 in Bangaluru. In September, we are bringing it to New Delhi. Would you like to participate again?
I will check with my management on this one. We probably will.
Okay, sir. Looking forward to meet you in
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.